PC cases are an essential component of any computer build, providing both form and function. The best PC cases offer a combination of features such as durability, airflow, cable management, and aesthetics. They come in various sizes and designs to accommodate different builds, making it essential to choose one that fits your requirements and preferences. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best PC cases that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. Musetex ATX TW8 PC Case. The Musetex ATX TW8 PC case is a remarkable choice for gaming enthusiasts. With its pre-installed 6 PWM RGB fans, this mid-tower gaming case offers exceptional cooling capabilities and a stunning visual experience. The opening tempered glass side panel door adds a touch of elegance to your setup while allowing easy access for cleaning and customization. One of the standout features of this PC case is its 6 auto-adjustable speed PWM RGB fans. These fans not only provide excellent airflow but also offer 16.8 million colors of customizable lighting, controlled through your motherboard's lighting software. The adjustable speed feature allows for optimal cooling and quiet operation, ensuring an immersive gaming experience. In addition, the case's mesh design enhances airflow and ventilation, keeping your components cool during intense gaming sessions. The metal construction ensures durability and stability, while the mid-tower form factor provides ample space for hardware assembly. Its side opening door eliminates the hassle of removing screws, making it easy to clean the radiator and graphics card from dust. Moreover, the case's unique aesthetic will undoubtedly impress your friends, making your setup the envy of all. Number 4. Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo Gaming PC Case. The Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo Gaming PC case is a sleek and high-performing mid-tower case designed for gaming enthusiasts. With its pure aesthetic and flexible configurations, it offers a great platform for building a powerful personal gaming setup. The case is constructed with a solid and durable 4mm aluminum and 1mm steel structure, ensuring longevity and stability. Featuring 4mm dark-tinted tempered glass panels, the O11 Dynamic Evo allows you to showcase your RGB components and express your personal style. It also offers optimized cooling and a modular design. The top mesh panel has been upgraded to provide optimal airflow and effective dust filtering. Additionally, the case supports various configuration choices for both air and water cooling, with space to accommodate up to 3 360mm radiators and 10 fans. When it comes to storage, this desktop PC case doesn't disappoint. It offers ample drive space, allowing you to mount up to 9 SSDs or 6 HDDs along with 3 SSDs. The drive cage can be easily removed to make room for a second PSU or relocated to a lower position. Furthermore, the spacious interior is compatible with most current CPU and video card models. Number 3. Corsair 5000D Airflow Tempered Glass PC Case. The Corsair 5000D Airflow Tempered Glass PC case is a sleek and stylish choice for building a powerful PC. Designed for compatibility with ATX motherboards, this mid-tower case boasts a black color and is constructed from durable alloy steel material. With its emphasis on air cooling, it offers excellent thermal performance. The 5000D features a high airflow optimized steel front panel, allowing for exceptional airflow to keep your system cool even during demanding tasks. It also supports the installation of multiple 360mm radiators, making it a great choice for water cooling enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this case is the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System. It simplifies cable routing with a single hidden channel and an easy access hinged door. Additionally, there is ample space behind the motherboard tray, approximately 25mm, for neat cable management. To enhance cooling further, the 5000D comes with 2 Corsair 120mm air guide fans. These fans are equipped with anti-vortex vanes, which concentrate airflow for improved cooling efficiency. With its customizable fan mounts on the motherboard tray, the 5000D offers flexibility in cooling options. Number 2. NZXT H5 Flow Compact ATX PC Case. The NZXT H5 Flow Compact ATX PC case is a high-performance mid-tower case designed to deliver exceptional airflow and cooling capabilities. Its perforated front and top panels efficiently direct filtered air into the case, effectively cooling down components and enhancing overall performance. Additionally, an angled 120mm fan located below the case provides dedicated cooling for power-hungry graphics cards. This case offers ample space for cooling support, with compatibility for up to a 280mm radiator in the front, 240mm at the top, and 120mm at the rear. It comes equipped with two pre-installed 120mm fans to kickstart the cooling process. The NZXT H5 Flow is ready to accommodate high-performance components, with a maximum GPU clearance of 365mm, making it compatible with most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards. For users looking to showcase their GPU, the case offers support for vertical GPU mounting using the NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit. In terms of cable management, the case provides wide cable channels with hooks, bridges, and straps, making it easy to organize and manage cables effectively. With its sleek black design and tempered glass side panel, this compact ATX PC case combines both style and functionality for PC enthusiasts. Number 1. Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass PC Case. The Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass PC case is a top-notch choice for gamers seeking an exceptional high-performance PC. This mid-tower case boasts a sleek black design that exudes elegance. Constructed with a blend of tempered glass, alloy steel, and plastic, it combines durability with aesthetics. One of the standout features of the 4000D is the innovative cable management system, known as the Corsair Rapid Route. This system allows for quick and effortless routing of major cables through a single channel, with a generous 25mm of space behind the motherboard for optimal cable management. To enhance cooling efficiency, the case includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans. These fans utilize anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow, resulting in improved cooling performance. The case supports various motherboard sizes, including extended ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX, making it versatile for different builds. Overall, the Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass PC case offers a combination of exceptional build quality, efficient cooling, and convenient cable management, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Thank you for tuning in as we explored the world of PC cases and uncovered the best options out there. From sleek and minimalist designs to high-performance gaming cases, we've covered it all. Remember, a good PC case is crucial for proper airflow and component compatibility. Whether you're a casual user or an avid gamer, finding the perfect case can enhance your computing experience. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy building!